Today we're going to look at the MaxZ setting on the MFT range. The idea of the MaxZ is so that when you're doing a ZS reading on a ring final circuit, you don't have to remember the highest value, it actually records it for you. So as we do a loop test on each socket, you can see that we'll get a reading at the bottom, which is the socket we're testing, but it also holds the highest value that you achieve as you're doing the test. On the first one it will be the same. As the reading increases, as we go round the ring, the higher reading will be recorded at the top. The readings on here have actually been enhanced for demonstration purposes, so would be higher than you'd normally expect to achieve. But you can see there, we're still going up, so 1.82 is recorded on both. If I now go to a lower value, you'll see that the 1.82 will be held at the top and the lower value will be recorded on the bottom. So there we've got the 1.33 and the 1.82 is still on the top. But again, as we increase, the higher level will be held on both, showing that that's the highest value. You don't have to remember it because it will still hold it on that top trace. So 2.34, top and bottom. And again, the reading will drop down on this particular socket, and what we'll find is a lower reading at the bottom, but the 2.34 will be held at the top. So 1.85, 2.34. And finally, the last socket, again, this will be a lower reading and it will hold that on the bottom value, but the top value will still be the 2.34, which is what you'd record as your ZS reading on your certificate.